with fall now here, crazy, I want to share with you guys all the fall seasonal items I have been trying at Trader Joe's and my thoughts on them. And I want to share with you what I have yet to try and why I'm excited to try them. So let's get into it. Okay, the first off is a pumpkin body scrub. I have one here with me. It smells so good. It literally smells like a dessert. And if you're trying to be healthy, as you may have noticed, most of the pumpkin treats at Trader Joe's are very sugary items. This is a nice alternative just to get into the fall spirit, to spice up your shower/bath routine. I think this is an awesome buy. And this kind of goes quick. I feel like last fall was when I was introduced and I became aware of Trader Joe's fall items. So I really liked this, and I would go back repeatedly to get more and more. And then when they were out, which makes sense, I guess, because then they need to transition over to Christmas. But this one smells super good. Okay, next up on the list is the butternut squash mac and cheese. So this one, I agree with everyone. It's really good. It's definitely it's a nice, like, ready to eat, kind of like TV dinner meal, but it tastes pretty gourmet. I definitely think it was really delicious, but I feel like I'm slightly lactose intolerant, so this did not sit well with my stomach. Other than that, it is really delicious, but probably not for me anymore. Okay, next up on the list, we have the non-dairy oat maple drink. So I was actually trying to find the non-dairy oat pumpkin drink, and I was seeing it on TikTok where everyone was showing like their Trader Joe's hauls, so I am aware that it is something being offered, but I guess like each store, the selections vary. So the store near where I live actually isn't offering it. I even asked the front desk. So I settled for the oat maple drink, which I will say is not very good. I don't know, it just doesn't really taste to me like anything. But the good thing is it's not very sweet. So I think like the non-dairy oat cinnamon one that I forgot to put on here that I've tried is really sweet. And that one's really good. But this one doesn't really taste much like anything. It has like the most subtle hint of maple, but that's about it. Okay, next up on the list, I got the pumpkin spice snickerdoodle cookie mix. So this one I actually tried to make with my boyfriend. We followed the box directions to a T. I don't know what happened, but the dough did not rise. And I don't know, the cookies were flat. They were like crisps, but I don't know if we did something wrong. But other than that, like the seasoning that they provided, that you roll the cookie dough in, it tastes really good. It tastes like pumpkin spice snickerdoodle. I'm just not really sure what we did wrong. Like, were we supposed to add more eggs even though it said just add one egg? I don't know. Let me know if you guys have successfully made it before. Okay, the next one I think is a must. The pumpkin brioche spread is so good. I bet it would be really great as a French toast. It even says that on the package, but I personally just toast it in the morning, and I'll also get the pumpkin cream cheese. I'll spread it on it. Probably not super healthy. As I mentioned, I'm trying to eat less sugary items, but it's really good, and I've kind of gone back for multiple rounds already. So yeah, we'll see how many more rounds I'm going to do for the pumpkin brioche spread. Okay, the apple cider donuts. This came out way before all the other fall items, and I saw some reviews online. They were mixed. I think there were some people that were like, oh, this is definitely doesn't hold a candle to fresh apple cider donuts. Well, obviously, but I think it's a pretty dang good alternative. And I don't think I've ever tried fresh apple cider donuts before, so I may not have the best judgment, but I think these are pretty good. And I would usually toast them in the morning, but they are a little too sweet, so I just got a box just to try them. Okay, pumpkin spice cookies. I think they're called like the petite pumpkin spice cookies. These are really good. They taste, if you're really into the whole like pumpkin seasoning, seasonal flavors, sometimes kind of tastes like a candle kind of thing. These are spot on with that taste. If you don't like that kind of flavoring, then it's probably not for you, but I thought these were really good. They are really sweet. So yeah, I just got one box, and probably one box is enough. vanilla pumpkin scented candle. So this one, it smells really good on the shelf, but when we actually lit it, it was very overwhelming, the scent, at least to me. It was kind of a bit nauseating, and after lighting it one time, the whole place still has that overwhelming scent. So I don't know, like, I mean, I am all for like that pumpkin seasonal scent, but this was a little much. Okay, the next on the list is the pumpkin teeny tiny pretzels. So these, again, kind of similar to pumpkin spice cookies in taste, have that overall seasonal flavor. They're really good, but I will say, again, they are really sweet. So I just got a bag just to try them, but that's pretty much going to be it. Okay, so on the list of things I have yet to try, I do want to try the pumpkin loaf. That looks pretty good. People gave it really good reviews. I guess I also want to add the pumpkin sheet cake. Everyone's been raving about it, but like, I don't know, I'm trying not to eat too many sweets, but I guess I'm kind of failing already, if you remember from my last list. Okay, so I'd probably add pumpkin loaf and pumpkin sheet cake to the first one. The second one being the pumpkin waffle pancake mix. So that one also got good reviews. I think that would be something fun to make in the morning for breakfast. Pumpkin bread mix also got good reviews. Okay, I'm going to be doing a lot of baking, but didn't really master the snickerdoodle cookie, so hopefully I can master these. I also want to try the butternut squash mac and cheese bites. I kept looking in the freezer section, couldn't find it. I don't know if they store it somewhere else, but that looked really good. Just kind of worried that I'm lactose intolerant. It's not going to sit well with me. Also, similarly, they have the butternut squash lasagna. I did see that one in stock, but I was kind of worried because the mac and cheese didn't sit well with me. Everyone raves about the pumpkin cheesecake, but I'm thinking like maybe if there's like a family dinner coming up or something, I would buy it. I'm not going to eat a whole cheesecake by myself, but I've heard really good things about that. Okay, the pumpkin hand lotion, everyone's also been raving. I put a question mark here because I'm not sure. I have pretty sensitive skin, and one time I got like the Philosophy holiday scented shower gels, and they made me like grow like these bumps, like these rashes all over my skin. So I don't know if the hand lotion is going to be okay for me. I was actually kind of worried about using this too, but it didn't irritate my skin at all. Okay, everyone's been raving about the pumpkin butter and putting that on top of the brioche bread. So that's something I might want to try. And also people have been saying like to put it on top of the pancakes. Also, the maple sea salt kettle corn, that one looks pretty good. And that one looks like a healthier alternative or snack I could buy and still get in the fall spirit, not sure. And lastly, I want to try the pumpkin bagels. I keep getting the pumpkin brioche bread and putting the cream cheese on it, but I wonder like how it's going to taste with the pumpkin bagels, and those probably go hand in hand together better. But anyways, this is my list, and I shared with you what I think are must-haves and must-tries. Let me know if you guys have been making repeated visits to Trader Joe's as well, trying all the fall goodies. And yeah, happy fall!